Hello folks, today we've got this Hotpoint top load washing machine that slowly developed a squeaking, screeching sound during the wash cycle. So I'm going to set it up on the patio workstation and see if I can find the culprit. Instrument panel, see if you're working with the same machine. Missing a knob. Inside shot. It's been sitting in storage for quite a while. So let's get it hooked up. For the drain, we need this pipe to be elevated. When the washer fills, it won't come out the drain. If you leave it lay on the ground, it will never fill. It will just drain out the hose. And you want to support it here somehow. Get you a pipe or some type of gadget that will also support it. All right, let's do a load of laundry. Heavy duty. And I'm going to do just a random load. Underwear, you didn't see that. It's the way us guys are. We're not worried about it. Well, maybe today's men are a little bit more particular. Whoa! Gonna need some laundry to clean that up. So, do we pour it in here or in there? Look at that. Needs a good scrubbing as well. But I think we're good to go. You want to look inside? Do you really need to see it? Water, laundry, and soap. Check this out. Over here I got a laundry table ready for folding. And over here I got a waiting room. Outdoor laundry. It's like we're in a campground or something. So I just noticed this is set to super. Oh look! It's got enough water. And there's that sound I was talking about. And it gets louder as time goes on. But I want to check to see if there's enough water for the amount of laundry I have. Yep, we need a little bit more water. What's going on in here? Whoa, that thing is full. This machine has been making this sound for over 3 years. It's just gotten worse. No water leaks. Look at all that dirt. You're a dirty man. Disgusting. So let me remove a few panels and take a look around. To remove this front panel, just follow your door lines. Get you a putty knife, push in there, pull out. Then at the bottom there's these tabs that come through the slots on the door. Just lift up. Then we want to see if something's rubbing. Looks like it's hitting this bottom tray, but well, let me turn it on. It's not rubbing on anything. Maybe it's just the bearing going bad and needs lubrication. I found it. So here's the drive pulley, and we want to look deeper in. And I got this weed whacker wire to use as a pointer. And you see that shiny shaft back there? That's what I lubricated. And the squeak disappeared. Let me get a light on it. That's it. So now, I just need to get some gear oil or Ruckus, something thick that'll stay on that shaft to keep it quiet for a while. So you want to use a non-flammable lubricant, and I got an old brush and taped it to some round stock, and we dab some oil on there. Make sure the power's off, and then go right in here and lube that shaft. Then you can turn it by hand to lube the rest of it. I'm also going to hit this area right here, right in there. Now, if I had some kind of a pressurized tube you could pump this lubricant through, that would be great. But this is working. Yeah. Turn the power back on. Try it out. That's a huge improvement. Almost sounds new. Look at the rust on there. Starting to oxidize. Yeah. Line up the slots with the tabs. Straight up. Pop it in. Sounds like any other washer. Just so happens this one's outside. If you tilt the bucket back just a little, it clears the patio. She's revving up. Not much shake at all. I don't feel anything. Fortunately, this unit did not need a major repair, just a matter of lubrication. And a lot of times when you have moving parts, that's all it needs. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Questions, comments, leave down below. I've got a couple magnets here. You can hear it click, but it won't come on unless